Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Infinix 05G, and this is the new high-end mid-range phone from Infinix, which is costing around 50,000 PKR in Pakistan market. In this price range, we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and you can see and the box of this phone is really tall. On the back, we have some more specification about the phone, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size, and the processor on this phone is the Mediatek Dimensity 900 processor. On the front, we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. I am expecting AMOLED display on this phone. This phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 33W fast charging. And the unique thing about this phone is the unique curved design. And the camera bump on this phone looks really beautiful on this phone. Also on the back, we have 48 megapixel main camera. We also have a 13 megapixel telephoto lens, which give you a 2x optical zoom. On the front, we have 16 megapixel selfie camera with dual LED flash. That's really good thing. And the color I have is a skylight orange color. This phone also available in the black color, I believe. So now let's quickly unbox this phone. Again, I really like the box of the Infinix 05G. So first, let me remove the seal like this. On the top, we are getting a plastic, as you can see. So now let's quickly open this box, and now let's see that what is Infinix has you offer. This phone has a new Mediatek Dimensity 900 processor, so I am really excited to see that how is the Dimensity 900 is performing in this price range. So on the top, Infinix 05G in this skylight orange color. Let me show you, and this color looks absolutely gorgeous, and you can see here is the Infinix 05G looks like in the skylight orange color, and you can see, and the camera bump on this phone is really unique on this phone. On the back, we have triple cameras. Also on the back, we have a leather type finish, while the another color is give you a plastic pack, and the frame of this phone is made up of plastic. So again, and the camera bump on this phone is really small, and you can see we have unique curved design on this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what test we get. And then the phone, again, we have inside of this box, we have one more mini box. So in this box, we have a SIM ejection tool, and also we have a welcome to join X Club invitation. We also get a soft silicone case, and you can see on the back it says 5G. So here is a cable. We are getting a USB type C to USB A cable, so that's really good thing. We have USB type C. Also we have charger in the box, so that's really good thing. And guys, you can see that it is a 10 volt with a 3.3 ampere, and guys, and this is a 33W fast charger. That's really good thing. No hand free inside the box. I am expecting to see hand free, but no hand free on this phone. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Infinix 05G. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom, we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side, we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. You can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. So inside the SIM tray, we also have a rubber, so that's really good thing. On the top, we have noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side, we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner, and the location is really good. On the back, we have triple cameras. We have 48 megapixel main camera. Also we have a 13 megapixel, which is a telephoto lens, which give you a 2x optical zoom. Lastly, we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, we have 16 megapixel selfie camera inside this punch hole. Again, and the camera bump on this phone is really unique in this price range, and the area around the camera as well as the back panel is in one piece. On the front, we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. I am expecting AMOLED display with this phone, but we have IPS LCD display. On the center, we also have punch hole on this phone, and the bottom chin, it is a little bit big on this phone. Now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Infinix 05G, and this phone is running on Android 11, and that's really disappointing thing. We should see Android 12 on this phone. So let me show the brightness on this phone, and you can see in the display it is not really bright on this phone. No AMOLED display on this phone. That's really disappointing. I am expecting AMOLED display because the Infinix 0X Pro has a AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. This phone has a IPS LCD display. So now let's go to the settings. This phone is running on Android 11. That's really disappointing. We should see Android 12 on this phone, and this phone is powered by Mediatek Dimensity 900 processor, which is based on 6nm architecture. That's really good thing. Also, we have 128 GB of internal storage out of 18.85 GB it is already used on this phone. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. This phone has a fingerprint scanner on the side, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed, this phone has a 120Hz refresh rate. On default it is on auto. I prefer all the time 120Hz mode. So now let's look at the camera. Here all the camera modes on this phone, and you can see, so here is your normal and here is your 2x. Now let's see video recording size with the back camera. The back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a full HD at 60 fps as well, and you can see we also have ultra steady mode, which is available in the full HD at 30 fps. So we also have a bokeh video mode on this phone, which give you a background blur. We also have a video beauty feature on this phone. All those things it is available on this phone, so that's really good thing. We also have a short video mode. We also have a beauty mode. We also have portrait mode. We also have super night mode, and the super night mode it is also available with the 2x. So now let's look at the front camera. This phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So here is the front facing camera looks like on this phone. The front facing camera looks really decent on this phone. Let's see video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps. That's really good thing. Front camera also has a ultra steady mode. Front camera also has a short video mode, and the front camera also has a bokeh video mode, which give you a background blur, and you can see it is already working. Front camera also has a video beauty feature, so you can see all those things it is also available with the front camera. Beauty mode also available in the front camera, as well as the portrait mode, and super night mode also available with the front camera. So now let's see the slow motion on this phone. This phone also has a slow motion. So here maximum we have 960 fps. On the back we also have a pro mode. We also have a AR shot. We also have panorama. We also have a time lapse. All those things it is available on this phone. So now let's talk about the battery size of the Infinix 05G, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size. Again, we have Mediatek Dimensity 900 processor, which is based on 6nm architecture, very efficient processor, and the battery life on this phone should be really good. On this phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix 05G. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and more videos regarding the 05G is also coming soon. Stay tuned for that, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.